I'm just going to use my magic powers. When I tilt the cups down, if you like the show, let me know at that time with a nice big hand. So get ready. They're back. Thanks. Hey, you guys like the show? Oh, you guys are wonderful. I'm Godfrey. I love you. Hope you guys stay in school. Learn a whole bunch of stuff. Have a great day. Oh, remember, the theme of the magic show is having a positive attitude towards your education. So throughout the entire assembly, I'll be giving you reasons why you should stay in school and learn as much as you can by hand. So get your hands out in front of you, stuff like you got some magic power. Oh, that's good. You guys have done this before. That's good. Now, you can go like this. You can go up and down. You can go in circles. Just don't smack your friend in the face, okay? All right. Otherwise, Mr. Smith will come get you. That's right. All right. Now, and the magic word is going to be I love education. So now get your magic hands going there. And on 3, yell out, I love education. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I love education. Great. Give yourself a hand there and go, yay! All right. We're going to be talking about having a positive attitude towards education. And I'm sure Mr. Smith will agree with me. Reading, without a doubt, is the most important thing you want to learn. So this is my first magic book I got when I was a kid about learning thimble magic. It's called Tantalizing Thimbles. Now, it has pictures and illustrations, but if I could not read, I would not be able to read those magic tricks. So now, I know your school library has a few magic books. I've donated to them before. So go to your school library and check out the magic book. It's a great way to practice your reading skills. Kids say, well, Mr. Godfrey, what does money have to do with having a positive attitude towards education? Well, the deal is this. The more education you get, the better money you're going to make later on when you grow up. As an example, my wife, she has a master's degree, so she works at a hospital. So you want to stay in school at least through high school so you can get a pretty good paying job, all right? Oh, you're famous here. And look at this. You got like a little, what is that? A dinosaur coming out of your pocket. That's very cool, all right? My name, T-Rex. My name's Godfrey. What's your name? Aiden? Like that? Aiden? All right. Hey, when I was a little boy, I loved reading books about dinosaurs and stuff. So we got $4 silver. Anything else inside there, Aiden? We're okay there, pal? All right. Now, with your right hand, go like that. Show your hand empty and just pretend, reach up there, grab a coin. It's good. Drop it in the bucket. Aiden, we got $5 silver now, man. That's good. Oh! Hey, this guy's loaded. I think that's a good place to apply right there. Yeah. Buddy, pull out that side there, pal. All right. Let's see here, huh? Oh! That stinks. Okay, good. Put your hands behind your back like this. Tilt your head down like that. Okay, blow. Whoa, the crowd goes wild. Big hand for Aiden. Aiden, buddy, you want to play a magic game? Yeah, all right. Aiden and I are going to play a magic game. So if you win, according to magic law, you are going to get this little booklet, which is going to teach you how to do 8 magic tricks. And as already mentioned, reading, without a doubt, is the most important thing for your education. So even if you want to be a magician, you got to learn how to read. Powers right up here at these $3 silver. On 3, you're going to yell out the magic word, which is I love education. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I love education. Their flight to make more noise than that. Go wild! This is good. Awesome. That's up. Now, you won today, buddy. You get to have this. Now, the cool thing is this. You guys are all winners because you're coming to school every day with a positive attitude towards your education to learn as much as you can. So for you, pal, when you get down off the stage, give this to your teacher, okay? Teachers, everybody who comes up on the show will be getting one of these. And if you want to make copies and give it out to anybody, you're welcome to do that, right? Give them a nice big hand. Give that to the teacher. Thanks a lot. Give them a hand there. Yay! You would like to learn the big secret of being a magician. Hands up. All right, good. All right, okay, put your hands down. I'm going to tell you, I've already kind of told you, and that's learning how to read. So I have a neat story about myself. So I had really bad asthma. You know, that means you have a hard time breathing. So I'm 59, and when I was a little kid, they didn't have the inhalers that some of you kids might have. So during PE class, they'd be sending me to the school library. And you know, to be honest, I'd rather been with my friends at PE, but I turned a bad situation into a good situation. One day in the library, I found a magic book, and I started reading it, which was great for me because I actually had a reading problem as well. I had to get extra help learning how to read properly, but I knew at a very young age I wanted to be a magician, and back then they didn't have videos, so the only way to learn magic was by reading magic books. Now, the reason why I'm selling this to you is every trick of my magic show is in a magic book somewhere. So go to your school library or the public library and get a magic book. And you can turn any situation around into a positive situation. Just focus on the positive and ignore the bad stuff. Now, really lucky guy. I love being a magician. So I hope you guys experiment as a kid and try to find something you really like doing. And you grow up, you can do that for your living, you know? So, you know, you might like to play sports, you might like to cook, you might like to fix cars or motorcycles, wherever it is, you need to get a good education. And anything you want to learn, you can read in a book. So as a magician, as I already told you. Well, also, besides my great-great-grandpa doing magic, I saw my very first magician in the first grade. That's right. I was a little guy. He had a fez like this, and an egg. You know, a fez is like a little hat there, right? So I was watching this guy very closely. He took the egg and he tossed in the fez. I remember that because I was watching. He snapped his fingers, grabbed the tassel, and let go. I couldn't believe it. The fez was empty and the egg was gone. He twisted and he slapped every inch of that fez. He then asked a little boy in the audience to pretend, just make believe that there was an egg floating out in front of him. So that little boy roughly grabbed the egg. The magician laughed and said, "Be careful, you broke him." The little boy forgot that it was make-believe and he wiped his hand on his shirt, and the magician laughed. He said, "Try again." So that little boy reached up and he gently plucked the egg out of the air. That magician said, "Toss the egg in the fez." So all eyes followed the imaginary egg through the air and he saw it land in the fez. The magician asked the little boy to reach in the fez and to pull out the egg. As I reached in the fez and I found that egg, I knew that day I wanted to be a magician just like that amazing man. And here I am today. I'm going to school. I love coming out to your school. Mr. Smith and I have become buddies over the years. It's lots of fun. So that's the deal there. Make sure you stay in school, get a really good education.